Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to New York Forex trading session. I am going to present Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course as well. I also use some Forex day trading systems, and they are also available online. So for those who are interested to learn how to make money in Forex trading, check out my website. There are different ways to communicate with me. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, let us take a look at my trading terminal and see what's going on in different pairs. Okay, first thing first, so far most of these pairs they're going sideways. That's how I see most of these pairs. They're going sideways. The pound yen is showing some sort of a bullish trend over here, but most of the pairs they're just moving some sort of a trading range type situation. Let me see what else going on. Okay, this is the radar screen indicator. I actually designed, coded and created these indicators, these custom indicators. They basically help me to forecast the market and also to trade the market as well. Okay, so it seems to me GBPUSD currency pair is probably going to provide us some kind of a breakout probably on Monday. Same goes with the US dollar Swiss franc as well. Let's see what else. AUDUSD, NZDUSD, they are also showing us a potential opportunity of a breakout probably on Monday. And the US dollar index, it's also moving in some sort of a trading range. Okay, let's check out some other stuff. Okay, the direction of the euro looks bullish in 4 hour. Same goes with the pound, and this means DX, I mean the US dollar index must be going down, and yes, here it is. So basically this radar screen indicator or a dashboard, whatever you want to name it, it shows us a bird's eye view that what these different currency pairs are doing, and within few seconds I get an idea. For example, if you check out the pound yen is going up in 30 minutes, 1 hour and weekly chart. Same goes with euro yen. Euro yen looks even a bit more strong over here, like in 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. It shows a nice uptrend. We have also an uptrend in AUDJPY 1 hour and 30 minutes time frame. NZDUSD 1 hour looks bullish. Okay, and EURUSD looks bullish actually, and the GBPCHF also looks bullish. So if GBPUSD is going up, also expect a bullish leg in pound yen. And there's one more pair, the GBPCHF, it's also looking bullish over here. So with the help of these custom designed technical indicators, I quickly get an idea about the market direction as well. and which pairs are going sideways and which pairs are, trending. Okay, so let's take a look at euro yen and pound. Two pairs looks interesting. So GBPUSD going up, 4 hours same story. Okay, let's go to the pound yen pair and see what's going on. So pound yen is going up. Okay, this is what I've mentioned in previous sessions as live streams, that I expect a bounce in pound yen, and price action is going up even in 4-hour time frame. Now this was the buy trade plan. I was waiting for the price action to drop around the 50% level, but price action just keep going up over. Let's adjust the Fibonacci retracement level. So I think price action is probably going to drop around 0.38% area. This is the support down over here, and if we do get a pullback, then this is the area to look for a potential buy trade setup. Use your own day trading strategies. If you don't have a day trading strategy, you can check out my website. So nice uptrend going on, and then I think it was the EURUSD currency pair. Let me go. Yes, euro yen. EURUSD looks bullish. Okay. In EURUSD I was expecting a potential sideways looking triangle pattern, but price action is moving up and it is testing the 0.618 area. Okay, let me open up one more chart of EURUSD currency pair. Let's see what's going on. EURUSDJPY, and go over to a 15 minutes time frame, apply the rainbow. Okay, it looks bullish. So a good idea over here is to wait for a pullback and then look for a potential buy trade setup in EURUSDJPY currency pair. So maybe on a short-term basis, you might get a drop like this. But the way I see, market is probably going to rise up more before we actually get a top in euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Okay. And if someone is looking for a sell, the sell trade plan is right up there. Let me see what else. CHF and NZDJPY, AUDJPY. Let us take a look at AUDJPY pair. Okay, I do not have AUDJPY over here, so let me add this this currency pair. AUDJPY. Okay. I'm going to adjust these charts over here. AUDJPY, the trend looks up. Okay, let me add the rainbow and then go over to a smaller time frame. The 1 hour rainbow is actually turning around. Let's see 4 hour chart. Okay, here's a bullish breakout. So what we can do is use a smaller time frame. Okay, this looks like to me we got a potential setup over here. An AUDJPY currency pair. I'm going to delete the USDJPY trade because it didn't work, because price never filled it. Okay. Okay, it's going a bit sideways. The AUDJPY currency pair is trying to move sideways over here. The high time frame looks somewhat bullish, especially the 4 hour. Then we have the daily. Let's check out the weekly as well. Okay, so AUDJPY, I'm looking for a possible buy trade over here. Currently open, I'm inside the market, and I'm also going to place a stop loss as well at 90. What's the low? Okay, 96.18. Okay, 96.18. So there we go. So I've just placed a buy entry in AUDJPY currency pair. I'm expecting it to go up more. It could easily reach the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio over here. Okay, let's go back to our screen. Let's check out the AUDJPY. Okay, and over here AUDJPY. So it seems to me the AUDJPY is setting up a nice buy over here. Let's check out the Euro Yen as well. The euro yen also looks bullish, by the way. Go over to the euro JPY chart. Okay, we're getting a pullback in rainbow over here in euro yen currency pair. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame over here. I'm going to move the AUDJPY pair over here as well, along with Swiss franc yen pair. So the euro yen time frame as well as in 1 hour time frame. Let's check out the 4 hour chart of euro yen. Somewhat choppy or sideways, I would say. Spot gold, yes, let me go back. Let me quickly take a look at spot gold with the radar screen indicators. No, I do not have, I haven't listed the gold yet, but let's check it out. Go back to the simple gold chart. So XAUUSD pair, the trend is up in gold. It's going up. Price action looks bullish in XAUUSD pair, and the way I see market price up more. This is the support area, and if price action is going to break below this support level, then obviously the uptrend is going to end. Otherwise, it's an uptrend going on inside spot gold. Okay, let me go back to the AUDJPY buy trade. So this is the one. Let's see what's going on in pound yen. Pound yen is firing up. Nice bullish price action over here, and I see. Okay, open this one. Over to the default profile. So GBPJPY looks bullish. GBPJPY. Let's go over to the trend stuff. So these are the pairs: pound yen, euro yen, AUD yen. These pairs are, they're looking quite bullish. NZDJPY and CHF they are looking somewhat bullish. Not I wouldn't say not much bullish, just a little bit bullish over here. Okay, so the stop loss is actually quite big in pound yen. That is the reason why I did not take a trade in pound yen. Okay. Okay, let's do the analysis. Go back to the trading terminal. Okay, so regarding the EURUSD is just going sideways, and overall I expect more upside. I don't think we have a top in euro. And if you check out the 4 hour time frame also suggests some bullish upside over here. Next one is the 1 hour chart. 1 hour is trying to move sideways over here. The way I probably going to rise up more in euro dollar currency pair. I do have a second Elliott wave count, the alternative Elliott wave count, which suggests that euro dollar is going to print a new high. Okay. Next, let us take a look at the dollar index. The US dollar index daily time frame, the way I see the US dollar index is probably going to drop more, find some support down over here, and then the chances are high that dollar index is going to rise up. Okay. Okay, next let us take a look at a 4-hour time frame of US dollar index. So I'm actually expecting the USD the DX. Okay, I'm expecting the DX to drop more. Okay, and then we might get some kind of a bottom over here around 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. Next, there's a second Elliott wave count, also known as alternative Elliott wave count, which suggests that the DX is probably going to drop over here. Yes, I've just discussed the euro. The pound dollar looks bullish, by the way. The 4-hour, the daily, the hour, these pairs, they're going up. We got a nice uptrend, and price action actually bounced clearly from the 4-hour time frame right over here. And regarding the GBPUSD 1-hour time frame, nice uptrend going on, and I expect more upside in GBPUSD currency pair. The EURUSD looks a little bit weak today, somewhat sideways as well, but the overall trend is still up in euro dollar. ETHUSD is not listed over here, but what I can do is I will try to upload a video related to XRP-USD, ETHUSD and BTC-USD, these 3 crypto pairs. I will upload it on Saturday or maybe on Sunday. Aussie dollar looks bullish, and I expect more upside, and it's not just the AUDUSD is going up, the AUDJPY is also up as well. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So the way I see AUDUSD currency pair, it's most likely going to rise up over here. Then we might get a top over here, but the top area or a resistance level would be right up there. It's not down over here. So the way I see, market is probably going to rise up more in AUD USD currency pair. Next one is the NZDUSD currency pair daily time frame. Looks bullish, and this looks like to me kind of a wave X going on over here, and market is probably going to drop after that. So in 4-hour time frame, my forecast is bullish in NZDUSD currency pair. The NZDUSD is also moving up, I think. Let's check out the okay. PY is bullish, but not much bullish as compared to the AUDJPY, EURUJPY, and GBPJPY pairs. and even in 5 minutes time frame the NZDJPY it's trying to drop over here. So it's a little bit kind of, I would say, a tricky situation. Let me move this image over here. It's blocking the view. Okay, so right now you see that the AUDJPY at least 2 time frames are bullish. The NZDJPY 1 time frame is bearish, 1 time frame is bullish, so not much interested to trade the NZDJPY currency pair. Okay, let's go back to the NZDUSD currency pair chart. So NZDUSD currency pair, it looks bullish, and I expect a little bit more upside over here. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. This one at the middle of the screen. Me too. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust this one. Okay, so US dollar Swiss franc, the way I see market is most likely going to move sideways. The DX is going down, by the way. Let me go back to the screen. If you check out the DX, where it is. Okay, so DX is actually going down. You can see this over here inside the 4-hour chart, and the euro and the pound, they are currently firing up. They are moving up over here. So if DX is going down, then it means the rest of the pairs, like the USDCAD, USD Swiss franc, they are also going to drop, or they could turn just sideways. Okay, so US dollar Swiss franc, so far sideways price action. If I show you the 1-hour time frame, this is the price action of last 2 trading days, and if you count this current day as well, this is what you got overall. It's moving in a trading range basically, and the range is telling me that market is going to show us a breakout probably on Monday or Tuesday. On coming Monday or Tuesday, expect a breakout. So this is the range in US dollar Swiss franc. It's kind of a sideways price action. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold, the trend is up. Same goes with the 1-hour time frame. It's an uptrend going on inside spot gold. Next one is the XAG USD pair. The trend is up, and I expect more upside in XAG USD pair. Next one is the 4-hour time. Same story. I expect more upside in spot silver. Next one is the USDCAD. The USDCAD is trying to move lower over here, getting some spikes over here in the market. Price action is finding support around 50% area. So this is telling me that if price action is not going to break below 50% level, then obviously it's going to break higher. It's a sideways market. In other words, if you take a look at 1-hour time frame, this is what we got. this is the sideways type price action going on in USDCAD currency pair. Next one is the USD Yen. USD Yen is trying to rise up. I even placed a sell stop pending order. Market did not fill it, so I deleted it. Now the USD Yen, the next plan is price action to rise up around 148.49 level. Then we might get some sort of a top and a drop over here, but for the time being the USDJPY looks a little bit bullish, and the way I see, market is probably going to rise up more over here. Okay, so USD Yen, we got some bullish leg over here, but this is, I would say still sideways range going on. Okay, so the 4-hour scenario looks much better. Wait for the price action to rise up around 148.49 area, then the chances are high the sell trade plan is going to work. Use your own day trading strategies to try to trade the market. If you don't have a day trading strategy, you can check out my website. Okay, next one, the 1-hour chart, so sideways action. Next one is the GBPJPY. GBPJPY setting up, and the way I see, I expect more upside in pound yen currency pair. It's a high probability that GBPJPY is going to provide us a bullish breakout right up here, and this breakout, it could possibly turn into a false breakout or a head fake, whatever you want to name it. So this is the old swing high. So if GBPJPY is going up, also expect bullish price action in pound dollar currency pair as well. So it's not just the GBPJPY. There are other pairs going up as well, like the Euro Yen, which I discussed earlier. And let me go back to the radar screen. I want to show you. So the GBPJPY trend is up over here. Euro Yen uptrend. AUDUSD uptrend. CHF JPY is turning bullish, but it's not exactly an uptrend going on over here. And a few minutes ago I opened a buy trade in AUD Yen currency pair. Let me show you my buy entry. So this is my entry right over here at 96.42 area. Let me zoom in a little bit, go to a smaller time frame. So this buy trade inside AUD JPY currency pair. Okay, and here's the count history. You can check out some of the past trades which I've closed in the last few trading days. So go back to the terminal, and the pound Swiss franc is also moving up, but the stop loss would be quite big, so not much interested to trade the GBPCHF currency pair. So currently euro dollar is moving up, euro USD is going up, euro yen is going up, even euro CAD is going up as well. Here's the euro CAD right over here. Okay, and if I go over to this radar screen, okay, we are probably going to get a breakout on Monday in pound dollar currency pair, US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, AUD USD slightly providing us that kind of a setup. The NZDUSD is surely a sideways uh, type situation going on in NZDUSD currency pair. Same goes with the US dollar index. The US dollar index also looks somewhat sideways, and let's see. So it's quite possible that the euro yen, pound yen, and even the AUDJPY and the Swiss franc yen pairs, exclude the Swiss franc yen because this 5 minutes chart here. So GBPJPY, EURUSD and AUDJPY, these pairs looks bullish, and the euro yen and pound, the euro dollar and pound dollar, they also looks bullish in 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's go back to the analysis terminal. So we covered the spot gold, spot, and I was discussing the GBPJPY. So GBPJPY currency pair, the trend is up and I expect more upside. Expect a false breakout first, and then we might get some sort of a top over here. This is the daily time frame of pound versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next, let us take a look at a 4-hour time frame. This 4-hour time frame, you see we got the overlap, and this overlap is telling me that I expect more upside. So the drop in price action, that was just a simple ABC decline, a retracement or a pullback or a corrective wave pattern, whatever you want to name it. Okay, so most of these yen pairs, they looks bullish. Okay, if you are enjoying this live stream and learning something new, a quick like really helps the channel, reach more traders like you, and I appreciate the support. The super chat is also enabled as well, so if you want to pay something, you can use the super chat as well. Okay, next one is the GBPJPY. We might get a bullish rally from current price level and then expect a top and a drop, or the way I see a pullback scenario around 0.32% Fibonacci retracement level. It's also there. Next one is the euro yen currency pair. Euro yen, I expect more upside in EURUSD. At first I thought it's going to turn into some kind of a triangle scenario, but the way I see, market wants to show us a deeper pullback. So let me adjust the retracement level. I think price action is easily going to hit 0.786% Fibonacci level, 0.786. This one goes over here, and let's go 0.786 over here. Click OK. So somewhere around this area a market is going to hit. The value is 172.96 right over here. Okay, and euro yen currency pair. So euro yen looks bullish. Let me go over to the smaller time frame first. The rainbow looks bullish as well, by the way. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame it's kind of showing me a nice uptrend over here. So the way I see market is probably going to move sideways a little bit, waste time, and then expect one more bullish leg to the upside, about 25 to 32 pips over here. Currency. Next one is the Swiss franc yen. Swiss franc yen has moved a little bit sideways. Overall, I think Swiss franc yen is going to drop first around 179.58 area. We might get a little bit bullish leg over here first, then market is going to drop. So we'll see how it goes. Next one is the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour is clearly bearish. It's a downtrend going on inside Swiss franc versus Japanese yen currency pair. So 4 hour down. Next one is the AUDJPY. If you check out the daily chart of AUDJPY, this was quite a deeper pullback, and from these lows market is going up. The way I see price action is probably going to rise up more. Expect one more bullish leg in Australian dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. Okay, so let me draw a trend line over here so you guys get a clear idea that what the market is trying to do. So nice uptrend over here inside AUD versus yen. And if you go over to even inside a 15 minutes time frame, it looks bullish. The 1 hour is probably bullish as well. Now 1 hour is turning around, and it's probably going to turn bullish as well after a few hours time, but the change has happened in smaller time frame. Okay, the 30 minutes time frame is bullish as well. 15 minutes is bullish, clearly with rainbow. And even if you check out the 5 minutes time frame, it's an uptrend going on. Okay, let me go over here, remove the rainbow, go over to the template, silver. Okay, so AUDJPY currency pair, the way I see market is probably going to rise up more over here. Okay, and I expect more upside. Okay, let's take a look at some more pairs. Euro AUD pair. Euro AUD pair. Let's go to Euro AUD. The trend is up in Euro AUD currency pair. Check out what's going on. I personally do not trade the Euro AUD currency pair. So let's see. Euro AUD is actually okay. Let's go over to the first screen. Euro AUD, nothing. Second one shows okay, not much activity going on. The third radar screen, let's click on the third one. Okay, the Euro AUD, the long-term trend is obviously up inside Euro AUD currency pair, but the smaller ones, they are somewhat going sideways, so I would say. So let me go back to the chart analysis screen, and let me show you what's going on in Euro AUD currency pair based on the Elliot wave. Okay, this looks like to me the Euro AUD is trying to go nowhere. It's a sideways type situation. However, I'm expecting a bullish breakout over here. So if price action is going to break above this green color highlighted area over here, then the chances are high that euro is going to rise up more. Otherwise, it could go down lower. Okay. So next one is the Euro AUD 4-hour time frame. I'm waiting for a pullback in market somewhere around this green color highlighted area over here. So if price action is going to hit this support area and we get some sort of a reaction or a bounce back up from these lows, then I'm going to use my day trading strategies to look for a potential buy trade setup. But for the side in Euro AUD currency pair. Next one is the WTI crude oil. Crude oil, the trend is down. There's a clear downtrend going on in crude oil, and the way I see market is probably going to waste some time, maybe just turn sideways a little bit, and then probably on Monday or Tuesday the price action is going to decline even further. So the WTI crude oil downtrend over here. Let me check out the smaller time frame. Go over to a 4-hour chart. 4-hour time frame, we're getting overall bearish trend over here. So in 4-hour chart we got clear downtrend over here. Price action just keep printing, showing highs and lower, showing lows. So to me it's a downtrend going on inside WTI crude oil in 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's go back to the euro dollar chart and see what's going on. Euro versus United States dollar currency pair, and I'm going to look at a 4-hour time frame first. So 4-hour Euro USD. Okay, so the way I see, this is the green color highlighted area in 4-hour time frame of euro dollar currency pair, and market is going to move sideways. That's the way how I see, and sooner or later I expect more upside in euro dollar currency pair. And the DX, if you check out the 4-hour chart of DX, the US dollar index, the DX is probably going to drop over here towards the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so this is the current analysis, and if you have any questions, feel free to type inside the chat box and I will be happy to answer your questions. Back to the radar screen, right click on file, okay, it's loading. So the euro and the pound, they are looking bullish, and Even the EURUSD is bullish, EURUSDJPY is bullish, and the US dollar index looks big. Okay, as far as the GBPUSD is bullish, GBPY is bullish, GBP Swiss franc is bullish. How do you see the euro dollar in a 15 minutes time frame? I would say, based on my radar screen indicator, I would say euro dollar is going sideways. Let me check out something else over here. Go over to the first screen. Yes, the 15 minutes time frame looks like to be it's in a range bound type situation in euro dollar currency pair. Here's another one. Let's check out the other screen. Yes, euro yen, I would say it's moving in some kind of a trading range. Okay. So in a smaller time frame, like a 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes, even 1 hour, the euro dollar is trying to go nowhere. Now if you go over to the price chart, you will see what I mean by that. So if I go over to the back to the profile, let me show you the euro dollar 5 minutes all the way to the 1 hour time frame, and you will get an idea that euro dollar is actually going nowhere. So with the help of this radar screen custom design technical indicator, I quickly get an idea what the market is doing overall. Just a simple technical analysis stuff. So let me show you the 15 minutes chart of euro dollar currency pair, and you will get an idea that what do I mean by that. So over here, this is the 15 minutes chart of euro yen currency pair. Okay, and if I zoom out a little bit, this is the trading range. So this means the today's candlestick actually failed to take out the high and low of yesterday's candlestick or previously closed candlestick. So I'm now going to show you the daily chart as well, so you will quickly get an idea over here. This is the high. Let me zoom out a little bit. This is the yesterday's high. And let me draw the yesterday's low. Now at the right hand side, this is the current trading day activity. So the euro dollar price action did not break the yesterday's high or the low. It's moving in some sort of range. It looks like a coil. So that is the reason I said that probably on Monday, the coming Monday, we are going to get a breakout range. Okay. And I told you this without even looking at a price chart. uh, let me show you what I was using earlier. Go to the profiles and then go over to the default profile. Okay, give it few seconds to load the data. Over here, this is what I got. Basically, these blue boxes, they represent sideways price action. If you see a blue box, it's that time frame is going nowhere. It's a sideways time frame, or in that particular time frame, the price action looks sideways. So the euro dollar going into a trading range, but probably on Monday we will get a breakout, maybe to the upside or to the downside. But as of today, the trend is sideways inside euro dollar currency pair 15 minutes time frame. So I hope this one is clear. Okay. The pound dollar, on the other hand, is showing some move. It looks bullish. The GBPUSD currency pair is showing some price action. Bullish one, I mean. Okay, any other questions? Let me go back to the old trading terminal. Go to file, go to profile. Okay, so that's pretty much it. For the time being from my side, and we'll see you, all of you guys, probably on Monday. I will do the Asian market session live stream. So we got 6 likes, and if you guys are watching this live stream and you are getting some benefit out of it, hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, so if anything I have shared so far has helped you or made sense, a like would mean a lot. That's all. No, I got 6 likes so far. Okay. Well, you only hit 1 like because it's just you. I got 6 likes so far. Okay, so any other questions or comments, feel free to type inside the chat box. So I've covered most of these pairs. For those who have just joined, I now see actually 8 likes. I mean, more people have hit the like button, So currently, I did all of this analysis. Let me do a little recap. Okay. And let's go. This is the where it is. Go over to the profile, and to profile, and then I'm going to select the default profile. So currently I've taken a buy trade inside AUD versus JPY currency pair, and basically the reason behind opening a buy trade is the trend is up based on Elliot Wave and also based on some of my custom designed technical indicators. I also trade with day trading strategies as well. So right over here, the GBPJPY and the EURUSD pairs, they're showing a nice uptrend. Same goes with the AUDJPY. So I got a potential buy trade setup in AUDJPY currency pair, and due to this I opened a buy trade. Now I also placed a stop loss as well, because nothing works all the times. So this is the current buy trade going on inside AUD versus Japanese pair right over here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and okay, so I think that's it from my side. Have a nice weekend, have a nice day, and bye bye. See you all on Monday when I do the Asian market session. Okay, so let me end today's stream.